Now I think we missed one presentation because the presenter Dr. Mohammed Habibur Rahman. Now would you like to present? Okay, Dr. Habibur Rahman will present prospect and challenges of fourth industrial revolution in higher education. Many of you know him. He is the vice chancellor of UAE. He was a professor of UAE, pro-vice chancellor of UAE, and so many things. So please welcome. I welcome you. Please presentation. You know the time. I don't have to repeat it. Okay.
So before okay. Actually, I missed. I didn't see the program when I was there.
It changed. So time is 10 minutes. Yeah, I know you can make it. You know the tricks. How to only present the gist of your presentation.
Prospect and challenges of fourth industrial revolution in higher education. So recently, he presented the education. He represented the education system in Bangladesh in primary and secondary level. So the next slide. So the next slide. Next. So in the fourth industrial revolution, what the major challenges we face in the higher education system? The main challenges what I can identify is the integration. So previously, if you go back, we used to teach art, science together. So later on, we could not go with, so or even in engineering education, there was one branch of engineering, civil engineering. So it used to teach civil, electrical, mechanical, everything together. So together, but later on, we could not go. Our memory is not. Memory is big enough, but we could not consider it properly. That's why we have to narrow down the field. But now again in fourth industrial revolution, arts, biology, science, economics, and everything is coming together. So then we are employing or we are using the machine. The machine has the one advantage is that the human being. He can think, he can, human being has emotion. The machine does not have emotion, but the machine has a great power that can quickly analyze so many things. So in fraction of a second, machine can analyze so many things. So using artificial intelligence, we can analyze so many things in fraction of a second. The human being takes more time. So in fourth industrial revolution, the use of artificial intelligence, we are using the machine, robotics, as well as human being has to compete with the machine in some area. That's why the blended education system became again essential. There are so many examples in Stanford University. You will find that they are teaching science, arts together. So that they can integrate the thing together. Together, they can have research. Someone is doing research in biomedical engineering or biomedical engineering. Yeah, you should have the knowledge of art. You should have the knowledge of science, as well as you should have the knowledge of engineering education. So blending education is there. The other major challenge is that the things are changing very quickly. He did mention that continuing education. So in present situation in Europe and America, there are so many universities that are the continuing education system. So that faculty can upgrade themselves in the continuing education sector. But the thing previously, previously, the things are changing. They have a span. So I'm a Professor Manan, and I used to work in the climate change area. So the things that what is happening in the climate change? Everything is changing. So everything is changing, but in a longer span of time. That's why we in the climate can adapt the change. But if the change is so rapid, we cannot adapt the changes. That is the main difficulty. So in both industrial revolution, education system, it is happening. So change is so rapid that everyone, every teacher has to run very fast. So that is the main thing of the major problem in the both industrial revolution in higher education system. So those who are involved in the higher education system, they have to upgrade. You can say in every day. Every day, you have to update from the traditional book. You have to update from the researches. You have to update from the society. It is mentioned that the culture is changing. So now culture, ethics is changing because whether we like it or not. So now there is in education system you don't need the visa. From here, you have seen we joined America, USA, UK. So their values, culture is transmitting here. So there will be new society with a different culture. We don't know the exact culture, the new society, there will be different culture. So in the teaching methodology of the education system, we have to adopt that, we have to adapt ourselves so that we can cope with that situation. Then the main challenges of higher education system and post-industrial revolution. Prospect. The prospect is there. So you can teach here to USA if you are potential teacher. So there are so many perspectives, but teacher system cannot stop you going there or here or there, here or there. So a lot of opportunities there. If you can, and the other prospect is that previously we had hard copy of document. It took months, years, or more than that to collect that document. When I used to do PhD, so I was doing PhD before that. So literature is available. We go to the library. We ask the librarian for the interlibrary loan to bring the material. Now you don't need to go to the library. You can order the material in the internet. So quick access is there. So there are so many opportunities. At the same time, major challenges, what I find that the educators have to educate themselves continuously. The major challenge. That is the gist of my presentation. I don't like to go inside it. And educators have to educate himself with the material as well as the research funding. Because every day new material is coming, new research funding is coming. So you have to be aware that you have to have the access to those materials so that you will be able to update yourself. So for industrialization, there is a lot of opportunity as well as lot of challenges. Definitely, human being definitely will be able to upgrade ourselves. And one advantage is that sometimes we say that the artificial intelligence or other things. So in civil engineering, 3D printing is there. So because sometimes we make a robot can make the building or buildings, but you cannot. They cannot replace the human being because man behind the machine is always necessary. Man behind the machine is always necessary. Machine can do things very rapidly. Human being cannot do things very rapidly, but he has the intelligence and emotion. Often emotion is very important. With one example, I just stop my.
Thank you.
Look at one example.
So
a train is running or a bus is running. You have in artificial intelligence, you have given the instruction. They had the least casualty. You choose the bus. You choose the bus. So in front of the bus or in front of the death, thousands of people is there. In the left corner, 3 people is there. In the right corner, 1 people is there. Definitely, you can say artificial intelligence kill the 1 people. But human being, you try to everybody. So he may choose a new path, and there will be no casualty. So emotion, you cannot. Emotion is is necessary.
Robot cannot do that.
The robot cannot.
So you got the basis, huge prospects ahead, but there are certain challenges. Thank you very much for combining these two conflicting things. Anyway,
And in our education system, we have to combine everything together. Everything together. To common language.
as practice, only one question.
Yeah.
If you have, please.
Thank you for your presentation. I would like to put in the morning session, what the honorable minister was saying, to achieve the goal of this emerging future, we need the three elements: government, academia, and the industrial sector. So, through your challenges, do you think, or what do you expect from the government and the industrial sector to support higher education system or academia?
Actually, in the third world country, so if you look at the developed countries, government can facilitate. Even government, if government does not facilitate, the challenges will be made in the developed country. But in the third world country, since industry and academia collaboration, still it will take some more time to have the very good industry and academic collaboration. So that's why facilitated government is needed. This is my experience what I gather. Because in the developed country, as an industrial, you have to sell your product. You have to make your product in such a way that you can sell it. So you cannot, but in that area, government should have a better policy decision.
Or higher education?
Yeah, you understand that. Very, very well answered, I would say. Yes. Okay, thanks, both of you.